Hit it.
Ashton, you gotta watch that.
Hit it. I'll help you.
He doesn't know it's going to rain or that it has candy in it.
He knows it has candy in it. He saw me put it in there.
Really?
Yeah, he was intrigued with me putting it in.
1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh! There it goes.
I'll be here all day.
The kids will do this. There we go. Here it comes. I can't believe this. Come here. Is that candy? There you go. Candy.
Ashton, get you some.
Get you some. Get all you want.